and welcome guys. A very short but very important info. UPSC has released its calendar for 2026. Yes, that's what you're hearing. It's very correct. And guys, those of you are preparing for UPSC CSE prelims and mains, you are targeting 2026 to be the year, then this is very important for you guys. Civil services prelims examination 2026 and Indian forest services prelims examination 2026, those are going to be held when 24th May guys. 25th May is this year and 24th May in 2026. Target this day, cross it on calendars, and if you are a serious aspirant guys, this is the time you need to buck up. Yes, the notifications will be out on 14th January 2026, and the last date for it will be 3rd Feb 2026 guys, and the examinations will be held on 24th of May. That is something which you should mark it. And also guys, for the mains examination, civil services mains examinations, that will be, you can see 2108. Yes, in the month of August, you'll just get somewhere around from May, June, July, August, around 3 months time you'll get, and you have to be ready for your mains examination in 2026. Along with that guys, you can see there are exams for the geoscientist. Yes, this is the exam for the geoscientist that is going to be organized on 8th of February. If you bar this exam for recruitment test, that is this RT examinations, then this will be the first examination guys, combined geoscientist preliminary exam 2026. And for the other exams also, you can see like NDA exams will be held on 12th April. Okay, and other combined geoscientist mains examination, you can see that will be held on 2nd June. Then you have IAS and ISS examination. Engineering services mains examination will be held again on 21st June. Okay, so these are few of the important dates that you should see. But one most important point which I like to point out over here, if you are preparing for any of these examination, and especially if you are preparing for UPSC prelims and mains examination, this is the time that you start your organized preparation. Yes, you can join Sikara Academy, and we there promise to complete your syllabus and do it on time. And guys, this is the time, buck up. You need to prepare for prelims, you need to also prepare for mains, and not to forget the optionals. So these are the hurdles that you need to cross, and this is the calendar. If you are preparing for any other examinations, please see the dates over here. But as we have seen, the UPSC prelims in 2026 is going to be organized on 24th of May, and if we talk about the mains examination, the mains examination is going to begin from 21st August 2026. With that guys, I'd like to inform you for the mentorship program. We also have the mentorship program for UPSC, but right now we are running the batches for TSPSC 2025-2026. The main highlight of this program is one-on-one live mentorship by Deepika ma'am, the faculty having 20 plus years of experience, and she's so calm, so understanding that you will always get some benefit, some experiences out of there. And if you're interested guys, call in the numbers given below. We'll meet again. The calendar is out, the date is out. Are you preparing? Well, let's prepare for success. Thank you so much.